This video compiles of linear equation exercise solutions from Goel Brothers Prakashan publications of class 8.
The next question is 1 plus x by 3 plus 6 times of 4x minus 2 equal to 5. 1 plus x by 3 plus 6 times of 4x will be 24x plus 6 into minus 2 will become minus 12 equal to 5. 1 minus 12 plus x by 3 plus 24x equal to 5. Now we know 1 minus 12 will become minus 11 plus x by 3 plus 24x. Here denominator we don't have anything, that's why we will take it as 1. Then the LCM of 3 and 1 will be 3. Then 3 will be multiplied with 1 to get 3, x will be multiplied with 1. To get 3, 1 should be multiplied with 3 and 24x should be multiplied with 3. Then we will get x plus 24x into 3 will become 72x equal to 5. Minus 11 plus 72x plus x will become 73x by 3 equal to 5. Then 73x by 3 equal to, when this minus 11 goes to the right hand side, then it will become plus 11. 73x by 3 equal to 5 plus 11 equal to 16. Then 73x by 3 equal to 16. Then we have to cross multiply these two. As we don't have any denominator here, we have to take 1. Then we have to cross multiply these two. Then it will become 73x into 1 equal to 3 into 16. When 73x is multiplied with 1, it will become 73x. 3 into 16 will be 48. Then x what we will get is 48 by 73. The answer of x for this equation will be 48 by 73. The next problem is 3x plus 5 divided with 5 minus x minus 2 divided by 3 equal to 5x minus 7 divided by 6. What we have to do here is, we have to divide 3x and 5 into two different forms, because both 3x and 5 have only one denominator of 5. Then this equation can be written as 3x by 5 plus 5 by 5 minus of x by 3. Minus of x by 3 will become minus x by 3. Minus into minus will become plus. Plus 2 by 3 equal to 5x by 6 minus 7 by 6. Now the problem solving will be as simpler as that. It's 3x by 5 minus x by 3, writing aside 3x by 5 minus x by 3 plus 5 by 5 plus 2 by 3 equal to 5x by 6 minus 7 by 6. Now when we take the LCM of 5 and 3, it will be 15. To get 15 here we have to multiply with 3. 5 into 3 will become 15, same above also. To get 15 here we have to multiply with 5 into 5. 3x into 3 will become 9x minus 5 into x will become 5x plus, when we have to take 5 and 3, then LCM will be 15. Then to get 15 here we have to multiply into 3, same as in numerator. To get 15 here we have to multiply into 5 into 5. Then it will become 5 into 3 as 15 plus 2 into 5 as 10 equal to 5x by 6 minus 7 by 6. 9x minus 5x will become 4x by 15 plus 15 plus 10 will become 25 by 15 equal to 5x by 6 minus 7 by 6. When this 5x by 6 coming to left hand side, it will become minus 5x by 6. Then it will be 4x by 15 minus 5x by 6 equal to minus 7 by 6. When this minus 25 by 15 goes to right hand side, it will become minus 25 by 15. When we copy 4x by 15 minus 5x by 6 equal to minus 7 by 6 minus 25 by 15. When we take LCM of 15 and 6, it will become 30. To get 30, 15 should be multiplied with 2, same as in numerator. To get 36 should be multiplied with 5, same as in numerator. Then 15 into 2 will become 30, 6 into 5 will become 30. 4x into 2 will become 8x. Minus 5x into 5 will become minus 25x equal to, when we take LCM of 6 and 15, it will become 30. To get 30, we have to multiply 6 with 5, same as in numerator. Here to get 30 we have to multiply with 2 same as in numerator. Minus 7 into 5 will become minus 35. Minus 25 into 2 will become minus 50. Then if we solve, 8x minus 25x will become minus 17x by 30 equal to minus 35 minus 50 will become minus 85 by 30. Then as the denominators are same, we can directly cancel 30 and 30. Minus 17x equal to minus 85. Then we can cancel minus from left hand and minus from right hand side. Then x equal to 85 by 17. Then x will come as 5. The answer of x from this equation will get it as 5. The next question is 0.12x plus 0.5 plus x when divided with 2 equal to x by 3 plus 1.5. Then 0.12x plus we have to divide this 0.5 and x into 2 terms with respect to 2. Then it will become 0.5 by 2 plus x by 2 equal to x by 3 plus 1.5. Then 0.12x plus x by 2 equal to x by 3 plus 1.5. When this plus 0.5 by 2 from left hand side goes to the right hand side, it will become minus 0.5 by 2. We don't have anything in the denominator, then we will take the denominator as 1. The LCM of 1 and 2 will become 2. To get 2 here, we have to multiply 1 with 2, same as in numerator. Here to get 2, we have to multiply with 1, same as in numerator. 0.12x into 2 will become 0.24x plus x equal to x by 3 plus, we don't have denominator here, that's why we'll take it as 1. The LCM will become 2. To get 2, we have to multiply 1 with 2, same as in numerator. Here with 1, same as in numerator. 1.5 into 2 will become 3 minus 0.5 into 1 will become 0.5. When you solve this, 0.24x plus x will become 1.24x by 2 equal to x by 3 plus 3 minus 0.5 will become 2.5 by 2. When this plus x by 3 from right hand side comes to the left hand side, then it will become 1.24x by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 2.5 by 2. When we take the LCM of 2 and 3, it will become 6. To get 6, we have to multiply 2 with 3, same as in numerator. Multiply with 2, same as in numerator. 1.24x into 3 will become 3.72x minus 2x equal to 2.5 by 2. 3.72x minus 2x by 6 equal to 2.5 by 2. 3.72x minus 2x will become 1.72x by 6 equal to 2.5 by 2. Then to solve this equation, we have to cross multiply both. 1.72x into 2 equal to 6 into 2.5. 1.72x into 2 will become 3.44x equal to 6 into 2.5 will become 15. Then x equal to 15 by 3.44. As we have in denominator, we have 2 decimals. Then we have to multiply with 100 in numerator and 100 in denominator, so that this will become a whole number. Thus 1500 by 344. X equal to 1500 by 344. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section.